App mapping with the Shark IQ robot. For the best experience with your Shark IQ robot, download the SharkClean app. Because the Shark IQ robot is smart enough to map your home and remember which room is which, you can use the app to choose where you want your robot to clean right now. Depending on your home layout, your robot may take a few runs to build a complete map. Let the robot explore as much of your home as possible. Once your robot has mapped your home, you can name your rooms. Creating rooms is easy. Follow the prompts on screen to learn how. Then select a name for each room. And just like that, your map is ready to be used. Return to the map at any point to edit your rooms. If you move to a new home, or if you feel like starting from scratch, you can delete the map from the settings at any point and your robot will remap your home. For additional information, please visit the help section of your app or sharkclean.com/support.